Hey guys, your girl Bella. How are you? Hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the reconsideration process. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with what this is, reconsideration is a process in which you can actually have a bank reconsider an online application that you submitted that was denied. Now, I find this to be such an important piece of information because I know I myself had no idea that was even an option to have a bank look at your credit application after they denied it. I figured once they denied it, that was it. But each bank does have a reconsideration line that you can call to have someone in the customer support or call center take a look at your application to really see if you could be approved or not. Now, you might be asking, well, how is that any different than applying online? Why would they be able to approve me versus the computer? Now, the reason why it's different is because each bank has an algorithm set up and that to look for a certain credit profile. Now, if any small thing on your profile doesn't meet the requirements of the algorithm, you will be denied. But by talking to someone in the call center, they can actually look at your credit profile and ask you the appropriate questions and then decide if you can or cannot be approved. So for example, let's say you have an old collections account that was paid and it's like 4 years old. If their algorithm is set up to deny any applications that have any kind of collections activity on their credit profile, you will be denied. But by talking to someone on the phone, they can ask you, hey, I see you have this collections account from 4 years ago. I see that it's paid. But, you know, what happened there? And you can be honest. It is a person on the phone. They're not out to, you know, get you or be mean. Understand, each bank, they want your business. So you can be honest and say, maybe you were going through a divorce at that time and couldn't afford to pay the bill. That's why it went into collections, but now you've paid it, right? Or you can say, I was out of work at the time. That's why it went into collections. I couldn't pay it. But once I was reemployed, and or gainfully employed, I went ahead, I paid the bill. That's why it went into collections, right? You can always explain what happened during that time. We've all been through stuff. We've all had things going on. We've all had hard times, right? So you can explain it honestly. And, you know, if you can show that in that 4 years, you've paid your bills on time, you're getting back on your feet, and you're now looking for credit, you know, they may, you know, they normally will put you on a hold and say, okay, please hold. I'm going to review your credit profile. And they can come back on the line and approve it. Or they may say you're not approved, but they normally will give you a few reasons as to why. And then you can take that information with you and work on whatever it is that is in your profile. So in the future, you may be a potential customer. So I wanted to create this video to share that piece of information with you because for me, I had no idea. And I figured I'd share it with you guys because I want, as I mentioned before, anything that I've learned in my credit journey, I definitely want to share with you. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching as always. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.